Shang S50065. Today I will present a review on the effect of microplastic on the oyster. What is filter feeder organism? Filter feeder organism is an aquatic animal that feeds on particles or small organisms strained out of water by circulating them through its system. This organism continues to clean our waters, will decrease the turbidity and ammonia of water. They feed by pumping water through their gills, trapping particles of food as well as nutrients, suspended sediment and chemical contaminant. So this is an example of filter feeder organism, which is oyster, mussel and clams. So what is oyster? Oyster are belong to the family Osteroidae, class bivalve in the phylum Mollusca that live in the brackish and marine water. The body of oyster has two calcareous waves that join together by a ligament along the narrow hinge line. The alteration of water quality may affect the oyster. As example, salinity, turbidity, nutrient loads. Consequently, the loss of oyster reef and other bivalve, thus disrupting the nursery habitat of crustaceans and fishes within the estuary. Oyster attach to the substrate and require hard bottom areas. What is microplastic? Microplastic is plastic debris can come in all shapes and sizes, but those that are less than 50 mm in length are called microplastic. Pollution of microplastics particles are derived from the breakdown of larger debris that enter the environment as microscopic fragments. Because filter feeder organisms ingest microplastic while feeding, they are likely to be impacted by microplastic pollution. These chemical substances that detected in microplastic become toxic to living organisms when subject to high concentration. For the problem statement, filtering of water containing microplastic will detrimentally affect the ingestion rate of oyster. Then the reduced ability of oyster to ingest food will lead to the lack of nutrient in the oyster. This will eventually affect the food chain, especially in the area with high dominance of oyster. For significance of study, this review study also can be used as a reference for marine policy management. The awareness of Malaysians can be built stronger from the action to control this big issue can be held better, provide information to ensure the safety condition of environmental and human health. This review study used as a benchmark in determining the level of water pollution. So for the objective, to compare the filtration rate of oyster at different microplastic densities and to determine the finding of the sediment stability on the filtration rate of oyster at different density of microplastic. For the methodology, first is search strategy. So search article from database, namely Google Scholar, Scopus, ScienceDirect, ResearchGate, Elsevier, SpringLink, and Semantic Scholar. Use keywords such as oyster, filter feeder, microplastic, sediment, filtration rate, and ingestion rate. So next is data collection. Article were chosen by screening the title, abstract, and to the full article from database research. Only paper that published in English were accepted. And lastly, data organization and reporting. Information seized from each study were organized particularly according to the data about filter feeding organism, filtration rate and sedimentation, experimental result, author name and year of publication. So this is the result. The graph shows the review studies from other researchers differently in their feeding rate after being exposed in different density of microplastic. Low concentration with 0.25 to 0.80 filtered 70% of alga cell clear. Then for control treatment, oyster will filter 85% of alga cell and hide with 25 to 80 concentration of microplastic, there only 50% of filtration rate. Filtration rates of oyster larvae were decreased in high concentration because of environmental factor and the microplastic clog up in the stomach. Filtering of indigestible plastic particle can block nutrient absorption and also damage to the digestive tract of animals. The larger particle of microplastic could probably be filtered by the oyster, but instead of being ingested, they are retained with the shell cavity by adhesion. Marketable bivalve further clarifies the uptake and adhesion dynamic of larger particle and the associated potential risk for consumer. And the second graph shows the sediment stability on the filtration rate of oyster at different concentration of microplastic. So the first one is control treatment has the most diverse of species and the highest number of individuals in a mesocosm compared with high and low density. Low concentration with 0.25 to 0.80 filters 60% of alga cell. Then for control treatment, the filtration rate was 70% of alga cell clear. And lastly, for high concentration, oyster will filter 40% of alga cell. The sediment and the organic matter content such as microorganisms, detritivore and plant origin to become their food source, caused by the mortality, reproduction rate decrease and less feed because of feeling full, and all of this can be originate from the blockage of microplastic in their digestive system after filtration. Organisms in the sediment can be affected by the impact of microplastic when deposit feeding it the pseudophores or feces. Filtering of indigestible plastic particles can block nutrient absorption and cause damage to the digestive tract of animals, as well as the loss of the foraging and shelter function of their habit for associated reef fishes and crustaceans when sediment fill the interstitial space among the oyster shell. In conclusion, the filtration rate of our bivalve was getting lesser as the concentration of microplastic increased. This may be due to the digestive system of the oyster are clogged up with the microplastic particles. Microplastic also can cause several harmful physical effects on human and living organisms through such mechanisms as entanglement and ingestion. Government and also organizations take many intensive work, project and management. Bans are becoming an increasingly popular way of curtailing their use, and limited evidence indicate they do reduce debris. So this is my references. That's all from me. Thank you.